All right, guys, I do want to come on here and do a quick unboxing and review on my new 140 watt fast chargers. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending them out for you. Let's go take a look at them. I love having these kinds of fast chargers in the house. User manual for it. Like I said, it is a 2-pack. There it is. 2 fast USB ports and a Type-C, as well as on this one. Very cool design, plug and play. And what's cool, like I said, this is 140 watts. Charge your MacBook from 0 to 60% in about 30 minutes, very, very quickly. And I'm probably gonna use this for my phone because I like to keep my phone charged at all times, so I'll have that hooked up to that Type-C. But like I said, this can even work with laptops, and you can see it's not as bulky or anything like that. And it does have 2 other USB ports as well. So let's go ahead and actually try it out. So we'll go ahead and plug it in. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and actually plug some stuff up to it. All right, we're gonna go ahead and start with my Apple Watch. So we'll go ahead and plug that one into the bottom. There it is. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and plug in our iPad to the fast port, the fast Type-C port. There we go, perfect. All right, and last but not least, we're gonna go ahead and hook up our Nintendo Switch to that last USB port. There we go. And there it is charging. Very simple, like I said, and I still have another one of these, so I can plug in an additional few more items as well. So if you guys are looking for a new fast charger, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below. Highly recommend.